Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dhruv and today we are going to learn how to use the delete element function in AppLab. So let's start with the design. So first we are going to need a button. And in case you haven't seen my other videos on how to code a button, please make sure to watch it. So we need a button and then let's keep an image. So you can choose any image you want it. So then once you've chosen your image, let's move over to the button. So you can keep the text in the button as delete image. So when this button is clicked, it's going to delete the image. So let's go to the code and start. So on event the button is clicked, then the it's going to delete the element of the image. So image, and so this is going to just disappear. Let's make it bigger. Yep, let's try it. So when the delete image is clicked, it disappears. So it's basically deleted and gone. So that there's no way to get it to come back on the screen because that's going to get deleted and it's not going to come. So you can use this delete function in many other ways. You can even use it with text inputs, text areas, so you can use it anyway. So I hope this video helped you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.